Hey lovelies. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you love natural hair, inspiration, healthy hair tips, and protective styles, subscribe and join our growing community. Let's explore these gorgeous hairstyles. Natural hair is versatile, beautiful, and uniquely yours. These hairstyles celebrate the beauty of African hair, while helping protect it from damage and excessive manipulation. Whether you prefer elegant updos, stylish buns, natural twists, braided styles, or simple everyday looks, there's a hairstyle here to inspire your next hair appointment. Protective styles are not just about beauty, they also help with moisture retention, length retention, and reducing breakage. Notice how these hairstyles can be worn for different occasions: work and professional settings, church and formal events, weddings and celebrations, school and campus life, everyday casual wear. One of the best things about natural hair is its versatility. A simple twist style can be transformed. Looking for versatile natural hairstyles that are beautiful, protective, and easy to wear? In today's video, we're showcasing stunning African natural hairstyles that can take you from work to church, from casual days to special occasions. Stay until the end for some of the most elegant and inspiring looks. If you love natural hair inspiration, healthy hair tips, and protective styling ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Natural hair is one of the most versatile hair types in the world. It can be styled in countless ways while still maintaining its beauty and uniqueness. From elegant buns and sophisticated updos to twists, braids, and everyday styles, these hairstyles prove that natural hair is never boring. Protective styling plays an important role in maintaining healthy hair. It helps reduce breakage, retain moisture, and support length retention while giving you stylish looks for every occasion. Whether you're heading to work, attending church, celebrating a special event, going to school, or simply enjoying a casual day out, there's a hairstyle that fits your lifestyle and personality. One of the best things about natural hair is its flexibility. A simple style can be transformed into something glamorous with just a few adjustments. Natural hair allows you to express creativity while embracing your authentic beauty. As you watch these beautiful hairstyles, remember that healthy hair begins with healthy habits. Keep your hair moisturized, protect it at night with a satin bonnet or scarf, avoid excessive tension, and maintain a healthy scalp. Every curl, coil, and kink is beautiful. Natural hair comes in different textures, lengths, and densities, and each one deserves to be celebrated. Confidence is the best hairstyle you can wear. Which hairstyle was our favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Cassia Naturals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves natural hair inspiration. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.
We met by chance, just a simple hello, but it turned into a story we now know. Something I never thought would come true. Now it's a real part of my life with you. There's no formula when it comes to love. You brought me peace I've been dreaming of. In the middle of doubts and questions inside, you became the one I can't deny. so